Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon, and so far Caravan Salon this year, this is the best vehicle that I have seen. Absolutely outstanding, 720 centimeter long vehicle with a bed up front like this, and at the back we have the pièce de résistance, and that is this U-shaped lounge. So Silverdream motorhome, monocoque construction outside. That means a single shell. This vehicle came off the production line yesterday, so it's less than 1 day old, and so it boasts the same type of Silverdream architecture and DNA which they've used in previous vehicles. This sort of makes up the family. They've got a one just under 7 meters with a rear lounge. They've got a 770 centimeter long rear lounge. This one is 230 centimeters across, and see the really deep storage up here, storage around the vehicle, proper drawers. Here we have got the table, which is a telescopic, and so it'll go down if need be. Plenty of room around the table for a number of people. Here, Dometic hob, 3 burners, deep sink, domestic style, even domestic style tap, and once more proper drawers down here. Now let's have a look at the sleeping area. How do you get up there? It's quite high up. I'll show you. Here we have stairs. Now there are stairs, for example, in the other Silverdream models, also other models of this type, such as the Hymer EuraMobil, such as the Carthago liner for 2. And this one, I'd have to say, really does compete with the Carthago liner for 2. And so storage up here. The front part is almost been blocked off completely, and deep storage there underneath the steps as well. Also, you've got access to the storage on this side. Not so easy though for the storage on that side. So let's push this one here back. And get in there. Enormous wardrobe in here. This vehicle has a double floor, so it's well insulated. So you can get from the cabin to the back easily. Unusual type of bed. You can sleep lengthwise or widthwise, whatever you feel like. Here we can close this bit off here. So this I would say actually is now a dressing room, because we keep our clothes here. We've got the shower here. And on this side, so we'll just come out of the factory, so they haven't prepared this a domestic toilet. And you can open the window at the toilet. Probably best when you're not using it. But lots of space in there as well, and so this can be lock closed completely from the from the habitation area. I also noticed that from there you got a flat floor until you get to the table. And we've got this bit up here. Goes up like that to make some space for the garage. Thetford fridge. Oh, it's full of stuff as well. Oh, and you know what? When I open that up now, because it's so hot in here, that's really welcome. Have the fridge open. So here you've got to control your heating. You can see what's going with your water, your batteries, and all the rest of it. And here we've got some features such as the time and the what do you call that? The air pressure outside, barometer. That's the word. And the door with a bin in it. So no, this really appeals to me, this vehicle. Aircon, and up here we've got this panoramic roof. Handy if you want to sort of go and sit on the roof, as I do sometimes. I've got a big window on my current vehicle over the living area. I think it's great, absolutely brilliant. So if you're looking for a rear lounged vehicle, it could be something like this. Now this is going to cost you around 200,000. Need to point that one. It depends if you want any extra kit on it as well. So as always, one can't really say what the price is going to be. But to me, this is an absolute work of art. It's outstanding. It really appeals to me. I really like Silverdream vehicles in any case. There's a hope that might be one to get a used one. Who knows, maybe in 20 years time this one will be mine. So great. Let's have a look at the what do you call it, the garage outside. Because we've got all of this space here. We've got a bike in it at the moment, and having the door open like this though gives such an indication of how much stuff you can actually get in there. Oh, rear window as well, which is handy with a when you got the lounge, so you can look at the rain outside. That's for the gas. And additional storage. Outstanding vehicle in my opinion. Well, this one comes with a it's got an oyster on the roof. So I hope you found it interesting. If you did, there'd be plenty more from here from Dusseldorf. As you can see, the stands are just being set up at the moment. I'm in here when the public aren't yet here, so that's why there's so much going on around me. Thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.